something completely different. Exactly like everything else I've made. Another pumpkin! And I am not running out of pumpkins! There's so many! Ah! When's Halloween? I cleaned out my garden the other day and found 2 more pumpkins. This is one of them. Now, as you can see, he's not exactly ripe. But we're going to use him and love him anyway. And picking him, I may have accidentally broke off his stem completely, so he's a little on the top. Now for this pumpkin, just like the one with all the yarn, it's gonna need some accessories to make it look the way it's supposed to. Let's get to it. I shouldn't be tossing it. One of these days I'm gonna drop it. We are going to need scoops, X-Acto blade maybe, bowl to put things in, small cutting utensils, a washable marker from your childhood, a variety of drill bits in different sizes, a drill to use them with, and a package of black pipe cleaners, or whatever color you prefer. I'm gonna start out by sketching my pattern on my pumpkin. Because he's so tiny, I need to make sure I get everything in the right place. And as every other pumpkin starts by hollowing him out. Resketch your lines if needed. And I started with the larger eyes. Cleaned them up a bit to be a little wider. And I made a very simple fanged mouth. Then I took one of my larger drill bits and I drilled some extra holes for the eyeballs. I probably could have used a larger one, but I didn't have a larger drill bit. Then I took one of my smaller drill bits, and on each side I drilled 4 separate holes. Made sure they fit with my pipe cleaners, and divided my pipe cleaners into 4 each. I probably could have done 5, but I wanted a few extra for another project. Wrapping 4 of the pipe cleaners around themselves, I stick them in the tiny holes in the pumpkin. It kinda looks like wild hair, but I don't care. A little bit more tidying up. Give your legs knees and feet. And that was it. That's it. Really simple, really quick, and really cute. As anything, if you're using a real candle, do be careful of the pipe cleaners catching on fire. Isn't he just a cutie? You could use other things besides pipe cleaners. I'm just using because that's what I have when I went to the craft store. But like, even just cardboard little legs, just cut them in the shape of like a V and that's all you need. I'll use a bigger gel next. You could also take, if you have like a Halloween decoration that's a spider with like bendy wire legs, you could rip those off and stick them on too. I kind of like him that he's green and not orange. It's a little bit different, I kind of like that. I mean, the stem is still missing. I don't mind. I don't mind that at all. At least he's not rotten. Spiders have a lot of limbs. I really shouldn't do this before I get the video I need. Ah! Okay, everyone. Bye! I still got some balance left in me. We're good. Ooh, now I'm being dangerous. Ooh. Okay, we're good. Okay, we're good.